Welcome! Today I'll show how you can unpair your Apple Watch Series 10 without a phone. So if you were looking to remove or disable the activation lock without a phone or an iPhone that the Apple Watch was previously paired to, unfortunately you will not be able to do that. So that still requires for you to have the original iPhone it has been paired to. But if by unpairing you mean resetting your Apple Watch without a phone, you can absolutely do that by opening settings. So press the digital crown icon to open the app view, then here launch the settings app. Inside the settings app, look for the general category and enter it. Here it is. Then scroll all the way to the bottom and tap reset, erase all content and settings. And here, simply press the erase all to confirm and wait for the Apple Watch to be erased and unpaired from this particular device. But once again, keep in mind that it will not disable the activation lock. For that, you will still need an access to an iPhone it has been previously connected to. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. I will not actually press this button since I do not want to reset my Apple Watch. So yep, that will be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.